Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm starting to look like Shrek! Yes! Hi everyone, it's Alicat Castle. So today we will be doing a product review on the Shades by Shan bronzer. I actually got this from the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So without further ado, let's begin. So here she is. I actually love the packaging of this just because for a bronzer, it looks like it comes in this kind of like hard cardboard box. So it's very good once you actually travel. So now let's actually open it. Looking at the color, compared to most bronzers, it looks a little bit greenish. So let's actually feel it. And let's actually swatch it. Yeah, it's kind of like a little bit of like a brownish green, but based on how I felt it, it was really soft onto the skin. Now let's actually try it on the face. So first, I'm gonna sculpt my face. I'm actually gonna use my Real Techniques brush. Then after that, I'm going to tap off the excess. And what you actually do is that you wanna find where your cheekbone is. So it's usually right in between your nose and your lip. And if you actually see this, this is where the cheekbones are. So I'm gonna start right towards my hairline, and I'm gonna deposit a little bit of the product just so that that will serve as my contour, right? And then after that, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to get my damp beauty blender. And what I actually do, oh my gosh, that's so dark. This is scary. So again, don't be scared. So just get your beauty blender and whatever's left right there as your foundation, you basically just like tap off the excess. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize it was like that dark. I mean, because the lighting towards the camera is totally different than like my mirror in here. But look at that. So what I'm gonna do now is, that's bearable, is now I'm going to apply the bronzer right on the perimeter of my face. So usually what we're gonna do is we're gonna use like a bigger brush. I think now I'm gonna be really, really careful. And then I'm going to dip a little bit and then just like really tap off the excess. And then I'm going to overlap a little bit, right a little bit above that. And then work my way towards the temples. See that? So I usually would apply it right above here. That's where I stop, where the arch of my brow is. Again, let's put more. Oh my gosh. I mean, I guess the thing here is that use like a bigger brush first if you actually don't have a beauty blender to diffuse it. But if you can actually see it compared to the other side, oh gosh, that's really, really dark. Let's actually go back to this. See? So make sure that you actually have your damp beauty blender with you. This color is actually the color walnut. I mean, looking at it this way, so far it looks okay, but looking it sideways, it looks scary. Oh my gosh. Now let's actually do it on the other side. Oh my gosh, I think now I'm gonna be light-handed. Again, you're gonna apply it right towards the hairline, right on the cheekbones. Yeah, this is super, super dark. Oh my gosh. I don't even realize it was this dark. And then after that, let me actually get again the bigger brush and then tap off the excess and then apply it right above the cheekbones. And then you apply it towards the temples, a little bit above the arch of the brow, and then towards the forehead as well. But oh my gosh, quite not happy with how this is turning out. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm starting to look like Shrek! Yes! What do you guys think? What do you guys think of the color? Oh my gosh. I think for my skin tone, I mean, it's just too dark. So anyway, let's actually finish this with some highlight. So I'm gonna use a Wet n Wild highlighter. And then let's actually put a little bit right on top of our cheekbones. And then we're gonna do it on the other side as well. And then hopefully this will actually just marry everything together. And again, get your damp beauty blender and then just tap it right on top of the cheekbones. And then now let's put some blush. I'm actually going to use the Revlon blush. I love this color, OBB Pink. Then you're gonna smile and you're gonna apply it right on the apples of the cheeks. Yes! Oh, sorry about that. I live next to the main road. So if you actually hear anything, yes, we're doing this live. I mean, we're doing it very spontaneous. Look at that. I think that's a little better. So what I'm gonna do is like, let me just finish with some lip. And I'll give you my overall thoughts on this bronzer to darken my face. And here's the final look for our Shades by Shan Walnut Bronzer. So what do you think? Oh my gosh, if you actually ask me, thank goodness for beauty blenders that's damp with a little bit of foundation. I tried to really tone down everything, but this specific color actually I think is good for someone who has a medium skin tone with an olive undertone. Yes, if you actually have a pinky or a neutral undertone, I'm not sure if this will work for you. But overall, the great thing about this company is that a portion of the proceeds from this purchase goes to help single parents in need through the Mama Berries nonprofit foundation. So on the other side, the good thing about this company is that it actually does amazing things for single parents as well. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this product review, hope you can give this video a thumbs up. And also if you are into product reviews as well as makeup tutorials, hope that you can consider subscribing as well. Again, my name is Cat Castle telling you that you are beautiful with or without makeup, and I love you. Shades by Shan Bronzer. Bye-bye.